Welcome to Site Analyst, the ultimate solution designed to simplify the monitoring and management of your natural gas compressor fleet. Today, we're diving into how this powerful platform can transform your operational efficiency by providing real-time insights and comprehensive control at your fingertips. Whether you're in the field or at the office, Site Analyst ensures you stay connected to your equipment, enabling proactive maintenance and minimizing downtime. Get ready to explore a tool that not only saves time, but also enhances safety and performance across your entire fleet. One of the standout features of Site Analyst is its intuitive, user-friendly interface that makes navigation a breeze for operators of all experience levels. The dashboard is designed to present critical data clearly and concisely, allowing you to quickly assess the status of each compressor unit. Customizable alerts and notifications keep you informed of any anomalies or maintenance needs, so you can act swiftly to prevent issues. This ease of use means less time training and more time focusing on what matters most, keeping your fleet running smoothly and efficiently. Site Analyst excels in providing real-time monitoring capabilities that give you a comprehensive view of your compressor fleet's performance. From pressure and temperature readings to vibration analysis and fuel consumption, every vital metric is tracked continuously. This constant stream of data empowers you to detect potential problems early, optimize operational parameters, and make informed decisions that enhance productivity. With Site Analyst, you gain a powerful ally in maintaining peak performance and extending the lifespan of your equipment. Managing maintenance schedules has never been easier thanks to Site Analyst's streamlined maintenance management features. The system automatically tracks service intervals and generates work orders, ensuring that no maintenance task is overlooked. By integrating historical data and predictive analytics, Site Analyst helps you plan maintenance activities more effectively, reducing unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. This proactive approach not only saves money, but also boosts the reliability and safety of your compressor fleet. In conclusion, Site Analyst is a game-changer for anyone responsible for natural gas compressor fleets. Its combination of user-friendly design, real-time monitoring, and intelligent maintenance management delivers unmatched operational control and peace of mind. By adopting Site Analyst, you're investing in a future where your fleet operates at its best, downtime is minimized, and your team is empowered with